Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the rabbit ear technique. It is where two edges are folded together and are simultaneously squished to form an upright corner or point. So to start, we take a square sheet of paper and fold in half diagonally. Now we unfold and fold the bottom edge to the crease we have just made, similar to a kite base. Unfold again and we have this crease right here. We are just going to do the same thing on this side over here. Great, now we have two creases that intersect. All we've got to do now is push both sides simultaneously. Flatten the edges. It's the rabbit ear, guys. Thanks for watching.